Why do we remember music so well compared to other memories? The secret lies deep in your brain's wiring, linking music to emotion and memory like no other experience. Music is special because it activates many parts of your brain at once. The auditory cortex processes sound, while the hippocampus handles memory. At the same time, the amygdala triggers emotions. This powerful combination means music creates stronger, richer memories than everyday events. When you hear a song, your brain links sound, feelings, and memories all together, making recall almost automatic. Emotions are memory's best friends. Music often stirs strong feelings, from joy to nostalgia. Your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, when you listen to music you like. This dopamine release enhances your ability to store and recall memories. That's why a song from your past can instantly bring back vivid memories and feelings, more so than other types of memories that lack emotional charge. Another reason you remember music so well is repetition. Songs tend to repeat choruses and beats, which reinforces the brain's neural pathways. This constant exposure strengthens the memory trace, making it easier to recall songs even years later. Unlike many other memories, music repetition helps etch the experience deeply in your mind. Music doesn't just create memories, it can unlock them. Hearing a particular song can transport you back to a specific time or place, serving as a memory cue. This cue helps your brain retrieve associated details more easily than other, less connected memories. That's why music is often used in therapy to help patients access lost memories. So next time a song pops into your head, remember it's not just nostalgia. Music's unique brain connections and emotional power make it a memory master. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.